The region within Engineering and Maintenance Europe is an important element to implement our group strategy, which is to become #1 in efficiency and in sustainability. Within E&M Europe, we will continue to be organized into regions, but we want to make sure that we are covering as many countries as possible in Europe, and we want to make sure that every region is sufficient and strong in size and in growth potentials. That means we will continue to develop our strong regional clusters in the UK, in BeNe and in Nordics. But we will merge the regions Germany and Austria-Switzerland into one new region DACH, and we will set up a new region Eastern Europe, which is then responsible for all of those countries from the Balticum to Croatia and from Poland, Czech Republic to Ukraine. Within every region, we want to make sure that we are organized more along product lines. And of course, we will continue to have legal entities to hold contracts and to execute work. First of all, with the updated organization, we are covering a broader range of countries, and the remaining white spots are getting less and less. Second, we bring together in every region those parts of our businesses who are already working with the same clients in the same industries, and that will help to drive the growth. Third, within every region, we then have a broader range of the value chain in our own portfolio. That helps us to standardize products and also to be more efficient within operations. And last but not least, out of the efficiency program, we will streamline the administration, make it leaner, and make sure that the business can focus on tendering work, on winning work, and on successfully executing work. As a next step, we are further detailing the new organizations in the relevant regions, and we are assigning and bringing the management teams together to do so. We then want to use those new organizations and the new management teams to work on how we can use the organization to further improve our market position and to further grow. And I would ask each and every one of you to participate in that process and to bring in ideas. And I may already thank you today for doing so.